Term Book 6. My Frog Recycles All His Trash. This poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Ken Nesbitt was born in Berkeley, California. He grew up in Fresno and San Diego and attended the National University in San Diego, where he majored in computer science. Nesbitt's poems frequently deal with humorous, relatable situations that verge on the madcap. He is the author of numerous books of poetry for children. To read more poems by Ken Nesbitt, log on to poemhunter.com or poetryforkids.com. Some writings of the poet Ken Nesbitt are I Need to Do My Homework, Computer Cat, Our Magic Toilet, Random Recipes, Mr. Whisper, Octopus for Lunch. These are all the beautiful and wonderful writings of the poet Ken Nesbitt. Children, let me explain you the poem My Frog Recycles All His Trash. The poet of this poem gives us a strong message to take care of our environment. He has chosen a frog and explains us how the frog takes care for the environment in his own small way. My frog recycles all his trash. He eats organic food. He cares for the environment. He's quite the hipster dude. Reduce, reuse, recycle is the motto of my frog. He drives a solar powered car to cut back on the smoke. So, in this poem, the poet has chosen a frog who always recycles his waste materials and he prefers to eat organic food and he always cares for the environment and it's a kind of hipster. Hipster means trendy person. And the motto of this frog is reduce, reuse and recycle. He always preferred to drive solar powered car to reduce air pollution. Smog means air pollution caused by smoke or fog. He helps endangered species and opposes climate change. He knows that since he's just a frog, this might seem kind of strange, but still he does his very best to keep our planet clean. He thinks it's only natural. He's proud of green. So, the different ways in which the frog helps the endangered species and opposes the climate changes are by eating organic food, by recycling his trash and driving solar powered car. Though he is a small frog, he could do so many good things to the environment. So the poet mentioned this as a strange. Though he is a small frog, he could do his level best to keep our planet clean and he thinks it's quite natural. And he is always feel proud of being green. This poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Let's know few words and the meanings given in your textbook or term book from the poem My Frog Recycles All His Trash. Recycles, reprocesses. Trash, garbage. Organic, food grown without the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Environment, the surroundings in which a person or an animal lives. Hipster, a follower of the latest fashion trends. Dude, an Informal address for a man. Motto, catchword or slogan. Solar, related to the sun. Smog, air pollution by mixture of smoke and fog. Endangered, close to extinction. Species, a specific set of living creatures. Opposes, be against. Children, now let's complete textual exercise given in term book 6, page number 7. About the poem, tick the correct answers. According to the poem, the frog eats option A, recycled food, option B, organic food, option C, trash. So, the correct answer for this question is organic food. Moving on to the next question. The frog drives a option A, wind power car, option B, water powered bus, option C, solar powered car. The correct answer for this question is solar powered car. Next question. The frog is proud to be green because option A, it symbolizes brotherhood, option B, it symbolizes eco-friendliness, and option C, all frogs are green. The correct answer for this question is it symbolizes eco-friendliness. So put tick mark over here. Last question is dew rhymes closest with option A, good, option B, food, option C, wood. Correct answer for this question is wood. So put tick mark over here. With this, we are completing the textual exercise of choosing the correct answer.